name is Orpheus, once a novelist, but after losing my memory, I couldn't complete any valuable writing. Now I'm just a private detective with no clients. Until I received this strange request. Investigate an infamous estate and find a man's lost daughter. Besides the check, it was the name on the letter that intrigued me. Not Orpheus, but... an alias that almost nobody knew but me. For somewhere that's been deserted for 10 years, this room's in remarkable condition. Thank God, the candles here still burn. There should be some more on the wall. I know it's all psychological. These candles really calm the nerves. Paper airplane? Something that children usually play with. This looks like a page from a diary. The person who wrote this is most likely... Although I can't write anymore, by reading the text, I can attempt to reconstruct the scene, and even find out information about the author. This seems to be the place where the game was played. The diary suddenly stops here. What on earth? It reads like something that was written by a lunatic. What I really need to do now is find the rest of the diary and find out what's happened here. There should be other clues among these sheets of paper. The black powder seems to be charcoal. The answer's probably close by. There happens to be a fireplace here. There's charcoal in the fireplace, but something else has attracted my... The chimney has been sealed off. Seems the owner didn't... There must be some more clues around here. This candlestick is... It's firmly attached to the fireplace. This is pretty important. I used to detest bedtime reading when I was a child. Trying to find a diary with the search for one specific diary is no longer important. All of these diaries are significant. I have never seen anything so odd. It is obvious that these entries were not written by the same person, which means that they were insane. Well, they've raised more questions than they have answered. It seems I shall have to apply a somewhat archaic